Renovate the barn, a step into restoration. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, renovate the barn. This phrase not only paints a picture of physical transformation but also carries rich cultural and historical significance. So, let's dive in and discover the layers of meaning behind this phrase, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. Before we get into barns, let's first understand what it means to renovate. Renovation refers to the process of repairing and improving something, especially a building, to make it look new again. It involves activities like painting, repairing, and making additions or changes to the structure. Renovation breathes new life into old spaces, making them vibrant and functional again. Now, let's talk about the barn. A barn is more than just a building. It's a symbol of rural life, agriculture, and history. Traditionally, barns are used for storing farm equipment, grains, and housing livestock. Over time, barns become central to a farm's operations and, often, to the community's cultural heritage. When we combine these two concepts, renovate the barn becomes a powerful phrase. It represents not just the physical act of repairing an old barn but also the preservation of history, tradition, and community values. Renovating a barn can also signify a transformation, turning an old, perhaps unused structure into a space for new purposes, like a community center, a house, or even a venue for social events. In English, renovate the barn can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it can refer to the actual process of renovating an old barn. Metaphorically, it can signify the renewal or transformation of anything old, bringing new life and purpose to it. It's a phrase that resonates with rejuvenation and the celebration of heritage. In conclusion, renovate the barn is a phrase rich in meaning, blending the concepts of renewal, heritage, and transformation. Whether you're speaking about an actual barn renovation or using the phrase metaphorically, it carries a sense of reviving something cherished and historical. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and cultures they represent. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning!